In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your data from a backup in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Restoring data is a crucial task, especially when you want to ensure your financial records are accurate and up to date. So let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the gear icon, which you'll find conveniently located at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online Advanced interface. This gear icon is your gateway to a variety of settings and tools, and it's often your starting point for many important tasks within QuickBooks. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, go ahead and click on Backup Company. This option will lead you directly to a list of all your backup records. It's a good idea to regularly back up your data, as these backups can be invaluable in protecting against unexpected data loss or corruption. In this list, you'll see all the times you've previously backed up your information, with each entry giving you the details of what was saved. Now, to restore your data from a specific backup file, locate the caret icon next to the particular backup you want to restore. This icon will help you to access further options related to that specific backup entry. Click on the caret icon, and among the choices you will see is the Restore option. Clicking Restore will begin the process of restoring your data from that backup, essentially reverting your current data to the state it was in at the time of the backup. It's important to note that while I am explaining this to you, I'm demonstrating on a test drive account from QuickBooks, which means that my screen might appear blank after I initiate a restore. However, in your live account, following these steps will start the restoration process, and you should see your data and settings being refreshed or updated accordingly. This restoration process can be a real lifesaver, especially if you've had data entry errors or other issues that made you want to roll back your database to a previous state. By regularly backing up your data and knowing how to restore it, you can work with the peace of mind that your financial records are safe and sound. And there you have it. Simply follow these clear, straightforward steps to restore your data from a backup in QuickBooks Online Advanced, and you'll be able to manage your financial data confidently. Thank you for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping.